Welcome back to my another video. So in the previous video, as all of you know that I made just this view using just index.html file, and I used style in the header section, though I promised that I will use it in another file named CSS. So now what I in this video what I'm gonna do, I will create a CSS file, transfer the CSS file from header to the CSS and link it. I will link it to the header. And another thing is, I will make this navbar. Okay, I will make, sorry, not this, just I will make this navbar in this video. So hopefully you will enjoy the video. So now first what I'm gonna do, file name, CSS file. Okay, so for that what I need to do, I will give it name as style dot, as you know, the then after dot the file extension. So as I told you that I will take CSS file. So for CSS file the file extension is CSS. So you can open in your own way, create the file in your own way. So now if I go to my directory, I will see that. So there is, you can see that there is a style.css file, folks. So now what I am going to do, I will open it with my text editor, Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now you can see the style section here. So if I cut it from here, suppose I cut it from here, and also erase the style and save it. All of you know that everything will go, it has become like before. So what I'm gonna do, the file which I cut from here, I will paste it here, Control V, then I will save it. So now as you know that the style which I had earlier in my head, now it is in another file. Okay, now also it will not work, as there is no relation between two files. So what I need to do, I need to make a relation between these two files. For that, as I told you that all relation will be in the head section. So in here I need to make a link. So for that there is a link. This is actually for link, another file for link. The relation is style sheet, style sheet, as it is style sheet file. Sorry, I have to give double quotation in both sides. Relation is style sheet, and then I have to make give the reference, the or path. So the reference or path is, this is in same directory, so I need to write the file name, just style.css. You can see the file. Then you can there is other thing. It's enough for now. Okay. Now if I save it and go to the web browser, so now you can see the style is working. So that's how we can use style.css file. Instead you use style in the header of index file. This is actually a nice way. So now what I will, as I promised that I will make the navbar in this video. So for that what I need to do, in the here, as you can see that there is title. So after the title I will have my navbar. So for that I will take a nav division or nav section, then I will give the class name as a nav bar. Okay, so this is navbar where I will have my nav. So in the navbar I will take a unsorted list. So okay, so for unsorted list there is a tag ul. Okay, in the unsorted list there's tag ul. So inside the ul I will have the list. So first as you see that there was a home, and then I will have, what will have, about, sorry, about. After about there was contact me, after that another one is li, is login. So if I save it now and go to the web browser, so here you can see though the color is now black, so that's why you can see, you can't see it, maybe you can't see it clearly, but there is an unsorted list. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will make it like this. So I have to make it flags and something like this. So for that, as you can see that I have taken a class name navbar. Okay, so I have to okay, after the header, let's see. So what is the class name is navbar. Okay, navbar. Okay, I will give it style later. Let me first give the style to the header. I will give the background to be like little more darker, so 222, and margin top is okay, and height I will change the height to okay, let me just skip the height for now. If I save it now, so if I save it now, there will be no change actually. The thing color is become little, as I used a little darker. Okay, now okay, let navbar like this. Then after that navbar, okay, in the navbar, if you see it clearly, so after in the navbar class there is another tag is ul. Okay, so after navbar there is ul. So if I want to give style to ul, I have to write dot navbar space ul, so that I will have then the reference of that ul, I can work with this reference. Okay, then if I want to give style here, so what I need to do is I can take another class here and work with it, but too many classes will make it little like uh, looks little ugly or something. So I will not take that much classes, so I will use this navbar and then ul, so that I can give the style to ul, then navbar ul li, so that I can give style to li. So first I will take this navbar ul. So in navbar ul, so first what I'm gonna do, as you can see, okay, first I want to give the color to be let's say okay, give it white. Okay, now first what I'm gonna do, as you can see there is a dot sign right everywhere, as it is list, that's why. So first I will erase it. So for that what I need to do, for that I have to give the list style none. Okay, then then the dot will erase. Okay, you can see this, the dot is gone. Now what I will make it okay, let's write that. So now what I will gonna do, I will give it position to relative. So I will tell you about the position later. So then display inline, it will not display inline, as you know that as I saw you earlier, that it is not inline, it will be flex. Okay, so display flex, then a flex size will be, let's say 25%. 5%. Okay, 25%. And if I save it now, go to the browser, and so you can see the it is now not in as before, it is